power will be twice of x. So this is 2x. And the distance traveled by the second cyclist will be twice of 2x, which is 4x. 4x, not 4, 6. So we can see that the distance from the original distance of the two cyclists was 2x plus 4x. So then we have 2x plus 4x equals to 90. So 6x equals 90. Solving for x, we have x equals to 90 divided by 15, which is equal to, 90 divided by 6, which is equal to 15. So then the conclusion is that the cyclists traveling at average speed x, which is 15, and the other one twice of x, so twice of 15. Okay, so the first one has speed 15 miles per hour and the other one has speed 30 miles per hour. Okay, let's see the last example on this material. And again, you may want to read the problem by yourself first, and you can pause the video for a while. Okay, let us read the problem together. A woodcutter determines the height of a tall tree by first measuring a smaller one 125 feet away. So the objective is to find the height of this tree by first measuring the height of the smaller one. So the distance between the two trees is 125 feet. And then moving so his eyes are in the line of the tops of the trees, and measuring how far he is standing from the small tree. Suppose the small tree is 20 feet tall, so this is 20 feet tall. The man is 25 feet from the small tree, and his eye level, so from the ground to the eye level, is 5 feet above the ground. And the question is, how tall is the taller tree? So we want to find the height of the taller tree. Okay, we can put this situation in the following diagram. So this is what we are looking for, the height of the taller tree, and the information given. This side is 125, this side is 25, and that is 5, and this one is 20. Okay, 20. Let me write it later. Okay, now draw a helping line here. Okay. So now, because this height is 5, which is the same as that, and that one is 20, then we have this part is 15 and that part is 5. So we have 15, 25, 125, and we don't know yet that one. So this is 5. And let's call this one as h. Okay. So once we find the h, then the height of the tree will be h plus 5. Okay. Now from this diagram we can see we have two similar triangles. So the big one, which is this one, and the smaller one, that one. Okay. Let us copy here. So the smaller one, so the data for the smaller triangle, the height 15, the base 25. And the data for the longer one, the height is h and the base is 125 plus 25, which is 150. Okay. Now, since these two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the corresponding sides are the same. So h over that is equal to 150 divided by 25. Or you can also use another ratio. So h over this is equal to 15 over that. Okay, but to make it easier to remember, we can just say that the ratio of the corresponding sides are the same. So h over 15 is equal to 150 divided by 25. Now we can simplify this. 120 divided by 25 is 6. Okay, so now solving for h, we have h is equal to 15 times 6. So multiply both sides by 15 to get h equal to 90. But be careful, we are not done yet, because this h is not the height of the tree. The height of the tree is h plus 5. So h plus 5 is 95. Okay, so therefore the height of this tree is 95 feet. Okay, and we are done for this modeling or word problem. Okay, I will see you on the next video.